Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in tables. To begin, select any cell within your data range. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon, then click Format as Table and choose a style. Confirm your data range and indicate if your table has headers. This action instantly converts your data into a powerful, structured table, ready for enhanced data management and analysis. Excel tables come with fantastic built-in features. You'll find instant filtering and sorting arrows in the header row, making data navigation simple. Structured references, like sales amount, make formulas much clearer and easier to understand. Plus, you can quickly apply various design styles from the Table Design tab to give your data a polished look. Managing your data becomes effortless with tables. Activate the Total row from the Table Design tab to get instant summaries like sums or averages for your columns. You can also easily remove duplicate rows, ensuring data integrity. For more dynamic filtering, insert slicers from the Table Design tab, allowing interactive selection of your data. For advanced use, always name your tables descriptively in the Table Design tab. This makes complex formulas much more readable. If you no longer need table functionalities, you can convert it back to a normal range while keeping the formatting. Also, consider linking tables to external data sources for automated, efficient data updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.